Have you ever faced a stubborn garage door that refuses to budge? The cause might be a faulty capacitor. The garage door capacitor is crucial for providing the initial power boost to your motor. Without it, your door might stall and frustrate you. Humming sounds from your opener yet no movement? That's a clear sign your garage door capacitor is compromised. A sluggish or slow opening door hints at a capacitor wearing down over time, reducing its thrust power. When your garage door moves a few inches and halts, it's a symptom of capacitor failure. Understanding this can save you costly repairs. Inspect your capacitor for physical signs like bulging or burning. These issues demand urgent attention as they confirm failure. Using a multimeter can help you test the capacitor. Ensure it's holding the correct charge for proper operation. After confirming a faulty capacitor, replace it safely by following a few simple steps. Start by turning off power. Discharging the capacitor is critical. Use an insulated screwdriver to safely handle stored energy before replacement. Regular inspections and maintenance can prevent capacitor issues, keeping your garage door perform flawlessly for years to come.